Warning, the following program contains stunts performed by professional degenerates. Viewer discretion is advised.
Ow, what the
This is MTV Loving My Crib.
Gonna recruit this wild gnome to help us work on the car. Oh shit, alright, lunchtime right now here in the shop. What you know, cuz? What you know? Got like King of Crunk right here. Should I say Queen of Crunk like that shit?
Alright, we are now working on the Volkswagen 1976. Wrong year. Wrong citrus. Alright, we've disassembled the coolant fan and it don't work properly, so now we're going to go ahead and finagle the finagles and process the dirter datter with the If you've watched Tommy Boy, you know what I'm saying. Oh snap!
Upgrading.
From that to this.
Yeah, so
From that to this.
basically that's old and like it works, but we can make it work better. And then with this one, new fan installed, it'll just give us so much more room
Right.
inside the engine bay to work and stuff like that.
Whoa, exciting. Yes.
So, I mean,
Now, this is an upgrade, clearly, from, 1976 Volkswagen here.
79.
Excuse me, sorry.
I know you get your 69s confused.
Absolutely. 69. All right, so 79. I just want to ask the question here. And how is assembling it onto the radiator? Is that, kosher? Is that, halal? What do we, yeah. Oh, that's what we're doing.
Yeah. So we also have the mounting hardware and stuff like that. So it's now kind of just seeing where I want to place it, because the fan was generally on the left side of the radiator. But we can move it. Now we have more freedom to move it wherever. I think it would make way more sense to put it over on this side because that's where the coolant is coming in from. So we can cool it down right away. But I mean, if I put it there, then it's kind of close to the oil filter. If I put it in the middle, it's kind of more free. If I put it over to the left, then it's kind of close to the starter.
Are we worried about the oil filter being in the way if it's all the way on the right-hand side?
Yeah, I mean, it's just like, you can change it from the top here if you want, but then your hand is hitting the fan.
Right.
So if it's kind of more in the middle, then you have that extra clearance. But then also, I would kind of protect the radiator a little bit more, so you're pushing up against the fan instead of accidentally bumping against the fins and possibly breaking something. But I mean, we'll see. Because then you also need to run the wires in a certain way, but this can just come down here, out of the way. So then that's kind of hidden out of the way and shit like that.
Now, is it something that if you install it, you can uninstall it again and then fix it? Cool. Far out.
What the fuck are these springs for? I don't know what the hell he gave me.
All right, I'm being put to use. I have a spring. As we see, the smaller cone is away from the tip.
Oh, sweet. Okay.
And
Alright. Un otro, por favor.
another spring.
There's Here's the whole. I'm just gonna finger around for it, and hopefully I'll get it in.
Well, that's you know, at your age, it's totally fine. I think once you get to my age, you're lonely and you're doing this on your own. Hey,
I found it.
there he be. The hero without a cape. Only with gloves. Oh, trying to help here.
Can you pass me another one?
Yes. Alright. Just getting through the day here. Again, we are putting the cone is outward.
Is it called what?
The conal part is.
Thank you.
Alright. There we are. Back to our installation situation here. Oh my. Okay.
Oh, there's so much dust in my eye.
Okay. That's the thing with.
Don't shine the light in my eye.
Oh god.
I can't see. I'm going blind.
1979 Volkswagen.
You put it on wrong.
Wait.
You put the cone on wrong.
This is the question I was asking. Yes, you are listening to Prince, When Doves Cry. And little do we know, he's quite toxic these days.
He's dead. Normally he can't do anything.
It's just most true, young rascal. But, you know, for those of us of age, we cry about this. Doves and our anti-car hero, they cry. Don't cry, don't cry. Alright,
Oh, I killed that one off
after the
already.
cone debacle, we are now putting these phone tags on.
So you want the sticky side? I'm guessing to face the radiator.
Sticky side.
Go there, and you put the tingy on. This hang right here. Right here.
Mm-hmm.
Ooh, fuck. Oh my god, this is harder than I thought.
Now to the novice mechanic,
Ow! Jesus, that poked me right in the nipple.
the question would be is how long would
Perfect.
how long would this last?
What do you mean how long will it last?
We're putting on a aftermarket, you know, not a VW fan.
Correct, Mishimoto.
Mm-hmm. Mushimoto. And
No, not Mushy. Mushy?
Mishi?
Mushy?
All right, so the question,
Mishimoto.
good sir.
Mashi Mishi.
How long do you think this will last?
Definitely forever.
Forever?
I don't know. The Ukrainian Santa Claus gave this to me, so you know. I think it works. I didn't actually test it. You're
We
doing all this for nothing.
got it. And Volkswagen, Wabbit. Kill the wabbit, kill the wabbit, kill the wabbit.
Right? I mean, like, before
you can actually
the
access
fucking
the
motor
stuff.
was all right
Yeah.
up here and shit like that. You couldn't even see the fucking starter.
It's
Now it's just like
real estate.
fucking, like stuff like that.
Yeah.
I could fit a child in there.
You heard it here. Baby killers.
Whoa.